biggest thing first.
Good morning, guys. We're back at it again. Back at the old apartment with limited stuff left. So we're gonna try to clear everything out. It's raining today and we have my dad's truck. We were very tired from yesterday, so we slept in, and I have less than 3 hours till I have to nanny. So we're gonna see how much we can actually get done here. But first, I'm gonna pee.
Since it has wood on the back, it's almost like we don't need the pads till we get down there.
Oh, shouldn't we wrap it up so it's dry?
We don't want to be down there, we don't definitely do that. Here, on this thing.
You're just gonna take it down like that?
Lay the plastic tarp down, and then we're gonna lay the blanket down.
Oh gosh. Okay, let me take something else, hopefully, while I'm here. It's like a little mirror coffin. Hope you survived the rain, buddy. And then maybe fold the end. You don't think they come off easy? You have to take this thing off, I think.
The Allens.
Oh shoot. What if we put it in on its top and then just let the legs hang? I thought it was easier to take it off.
To be in there. Move the box to the front seat. Put this in there. Put the TV in next to it. Just have the sandwich down vertical because there's enough width back there.
Let me take these off before I forget. Hand strip removal.
Hey, ready to pick up a little bit more center? Yeah.
Wait, I feel like we could put more on this. Right? And just feed it through.
That'll work.
You think that's good?
Yeah, I think it would.
Okay. We've now resorted to stealing boxes from the recycling bin since people don't break down their boxes like good Samaritans. So we're gonna fill this with our food. It's kind of like half in bins already, so it's kind of fine. Want a go-go squeeze? Huh? I got a lot. All right, what's in there? We'll be back. All right, you guys, this is basically the last of the apartment. Gonna kind of say goodbye. I may come tomorrow to drop off my keys, but I did a quick vacuum. These are like the last odds and ends that we need to grab. This is empty, that's just my stuff I brought. The clothes need to be put in my car. Hopefully I can do that today, but I don't know if I have time. Final hurrah to this apartment. Although I hated these disgusting ceilings, this place was such a sanctuary to me throughout nursing school, so a little bit sentimental to say goodbye, but honestly I'm not that sad, which makes me feel like I made the right decision, you know what I mean? Yeah, goodbye. Nannying got canceled, so now we're gonna try to move all of the clothing. We're dreading it, but this is the last thing to move, literally the last thing. And they used to have a cart for us to put all this stuff on, but it broke. Now we're on our own, just zip tying together hangers and hoping to God my stuff doesn't fall off. This is gonna take so many trips.
Because of you, I'm out of the blue, so over the moon, that is true.
Of course, there's a fire alarm going off on one of the floors, so we really hope we don't run into this issue. All right, we got some innovation because we were feeling lazy and we did not want to do the clothes, but we're putting this on the dolly. We stole this dishwasher box. Why is clothing so heavy? I'm gonna need 2 hands for this.
It's kind of laying in there and half full as you go.
There we go. We're getting out of here. Oh my God. At least we're gonna get this in one load. As long as it doesn't break or anything. This is incredible. The last thing, the dresses. Now does it roll? It does! All right, last of the apartment. It's been real. Goodbye. This is like my dream. I'm starving. This is great. Let's eat. We had some lunch. It was much needed. It's currently 4 o'clock, which is so late. Where does the day go? I don't even know, but moving takes forever. So we made it to the new apartment. Luckily, I got a really good parking spot, as good as I can get. It is currently raining pretty badly. Moving all of my clothing back here is gonna be a little bit hairy, but I feel like we're just gonna be happier if we just do it now. And after today, all of the stuff will be in there. All right, we put the mirror here for now. It's a little precarious. Doug wants to attach it to the wall, but it does fit. The door is stopped by that, so we're just going to be careful. This is the state that we left it in. A little much in here. All right, we're gonna go take some more laps and try to get some stuff in here. We finally remembered to use the cute little cart, so Now, things will hopefully move a little faster. Even though everything is sopping wet. I also don't feel well. I think I have like mild food poisoning, hence the decreased mood. I'm sorry. I'm really trying to rally today. It's so not. Being really pathetic. The box just needs to go somewhere. Really hard not to throw up right now. We'll be back. Oh, I don't have a trash bag. Uh-oh, the remote. Okay, good. I was like, I taped it on there. Yep.
Go. Okay, flip that cord around. Okay, here we go.
I have to pull it out from the wall to be able to plug it in.
Do you plug it out right here? Plug it in here?
Oh. Yeah, I guess so. I'm not functioning very well.
We're gonna be feeling better though.
I can't say I'm feeling better. I still feel really nauseous, but I'm not like gonna throw up this second, but
I kind of don't think it was that food because
I feel pretty nauseous.
Food was fully cooked.
And I rarely feel like this.
And it wasn't greasy like what you had. You know, if you eat a greasy hamburger, you think like, oh god, it would go bad.
Maybe like lettuce or something, like bad vegetables. I wish I could just throw up and get it over with.
Oh,
I
no.
also just don't want to throw up.
Oh no.
I'm not gonna instantly throw up, but my stomach feels really nauseous.
What about one of those little ginger beer things you have? Just the soda part. Wow.
Yeah, I do have ginger beer.
And that I think that's good for you. They say ginger ale is like, or 7-Up.
Yeah,
You know,
but that doesn't have real ginger in it. This says natural flavors, but maybe the concept of the ginger will help me, even though
and the bubbles seem to help you. I don't know why, but it seems like people have been saying it kind of works. Okay, so the desk.
The desk isn't gonna make it
Okay.
in here. There's no way it'll fit.
Okay, what else is left then?
So my
the
car.
The one picture that's so
yeah, that's
picture
gonna stay. So it's really my car, my clothes, which means we need to clear my closet right now so we can just hang it. Plot twist, we're gonna call it a night because my bedroom, which is what we have to do, is bring in all the clothing. It's really dark in here. There's no overhead light and I just have my lamp. I don't feel very good. So I think we're gonna call it an early night and tomorrow we can come back when it's daylight and do more, like build the bed and bring in more clothing and actually like have a little bit more oomph to get this place together. But I feel good. We got totally out of the old place, turned in the keys. Like that's one thing crossed off my list. I'm gonna go sit on the couch for a bit and watch The Crown. I love you. Good night. Good morning, you guys. It's another day at the apartment. Day 3 of moving. I'm feeling a little bit better today. Not 100%, but we're rallying because I really want to get some stuff done, like especially my bed built. I have to bring all of the clothes in from my car. I convinced Doug to come help me out again. We have a lot to bring up from my car. My goal is to empty a bin so that I can put it on the rolling cart and at least put some of the clothes in there. So I'm trying to decide which bin I'm most likely to empty. I feel like it's this one. It has most of the stuff that's supposed to go in this dresser behind me. Sorry, I'm just trying to pick up some dirt from the floor. Okay, so let's see if we can unbox our first bin and use this. This is how I wrapped up all of the dead flowers.
If you're in the moonlight, I could be the daylight. Couple miles left, let's go. Pulling up a coffee stand, I was up on my life.
Fun fact about this fake grass is it actually is from this apartment building when I lived here and they decorated for fall. I just cut a couple pieces off to use as decor. They were gonna throw it away and I thought, hey, you're coming home with me. It's official, we have our first empty bin. Put this bad boy on this rolling cart and we will create a nice little system if it'll stay. We can roll the clothes in this, so at least I can get like 2 to 3 bundles. It's not perfect, but it will work. We're gonna go take a lap and hopefully we find Doug because he definitely makes our lives a lot easier. No Doug, but this did work. Now we unload.
On the pavement, been chasing. The car broke down, so we caved in. Some places we could chase them. The night goes round, the days dim.
Doug had to turn around and go home really quick, but we're back in the bedroom, hanging stuff up. Let's see, I have jackets and dresses, which I believe Miss Katie Mack put on this side. Got the little handy carpet. At least I can take 2 loads up with this, which is better than 1. Oh man. dresses, jackets, pants. I think I'm gonna put the dresses in the very back because I obviously wear them the least. There's kind of a spot for the pants. That's good. This top did not make the tank top area. I need to go back and watch my old video to see how Katie organized it because she did such a good job. And then my other goal is if I can get my bed built today, then I have these cloth bins from the Container Store. Well, these can actually go underneath my bed so I can store a lot of stuff in there. And then I would love to go to the Container Store and get some pull-out clear drawers, just so that I can like put little things that need to be sorted, like all my ski socks, all my beanies. Because I don't have a dresser in this room, it makes it pretty difficult. So last time what I ended up doing is getting wicker baskets and putting them here, and they were like my pull-out drawers, which is great, but it definitely didn't hold everything. And I have this little drawer set from Pottery Barn, which is nice, but it's pretty full too. I'm gonna get another load of clothes, and then hopefully Doug will be here and he can help assemble the bed. I'm just gonna organize the clothes and color code them later, but I'm trying to go as fast as possible to get these bad boys in while it's raining. And Doug should be here any minute, and there's only 2 more loads of clothes. One of them's jackets. I'm definitely gonna have to rearrange this because I know there's just not enough room on the other side. There is a hanging rod down here, but that's where I put my shoes, and now I have a double shoe rack, so I just feel like it doesn't really work. And snap. I could probably get rid of a few more things than I think. Other camera died, so we're on the new camera. We got all the clothes in. It started torrential downpouring. There's no way my puffy jackets will fit in this closet, so I might put this in my little coat closet, storage closet thing for now. Oh, did you hear that? That was thunder. And I definitely saw lightning because I just saw the flash, and I was like, that's weird. Heavier than I thought. It's in. We're attaching the fancy globe before this thing gets broken. I keep forgetting to get a new bulb for this thing. Okay.
I'm just gonna pull the stuff out of here so I have room to work.
Yeah. I think when the bed's built, I'll have a better picture of what I want to do
What'll
with
fit,
this
what'll
space.
look right.
Yeah.
If you're in the moonlight, I could be the daylight. Couple miles left, let's go. Pulling up a coffee stand, I was up on my left. You was acting like a ghost. I was sitting paralyzed, you were thinking more or less. Sitting in the mustache wrong, you were like a go. Another mile like oh. Hair was looking like a mess, wishing that I could say less. Middle of the street, I know. Riding at the coffee stand, been a couple miles in. You were sitting there like ghosts. Then it's slow. Another mile like home, 'cause it's dope. You were looking like gold. Been 100 days and I'm dazing. Warm laying on the pavement. Been chasing. The car broke down, so we caved in. Some places we could chase them. The night goes round, the days dim. The lights go out, could see your face for 100.
Now I'm glad that I washed my sheets so that I could just make the bed. Okay, I have another task for you. In exchange for this task, I will buy you a bagel sandwich. Assemble this thing. It's not that bad. It's Target, and it's not that bad because it is only 2 drawers. Go Doug! Team Doug! Usually I'd build it myself, but I'm feeling like I need to get my life organized. It's a little bit chaotic in here, so we should just get started. I feel like my bedroom is in a pretty good state. When Doug's finished, we can try to figure out what to do about the chair. What we really gotta do is the bathroom. We got 2 bins here. I could kind of crank it out and it would make me feel a lot better. Yeah, I do need to get the inner shower liner. I forgot I have to get a new one of those.
I only worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no lie.
Oh. No! The drawer organizers that I bought for my new place don't fit in this place.
No.
You're kidding me. I thought that they would totally fit. I think I have my old ones buried somewhere at home. I know the makeup stuff fits because this exact drawer has it all in there. There we go. Just barely fits.
By the glinting of those old glassy eyes, trying to decide if it's clarity or a reflection with a careful tip.
My shower curtain is like a foot off the floor. No, it looks so weird. Do they sell longer shower curtains? The bathroom is set up. Towels are hung. I want to get some sort of tray for this guy because it kind of looked weird if I put it over here. Or is it supposed to be like... Actually, maybe that's cuter. None of my drawer organizers fit, so I'm gonna have to go get my old ones if I can find them. I just kind of threw stuff in here. This is the only drawer that my makeup kind of fit. This is like, it looks like it fits, but it doesn't fit. Like, this is not pushed all the way down. But there is more storage underneath the sink. So I was able to fit everything under here. Dare I say, for an under the sink area, it doesn't look too cluttered. My dad's using this bath mat. I'm gonna put that out. That little area, little stuff in here. I might rearrange this because I don't know if I like seeing the clutter here anymore. Like, I may just want to put like a candle and a book. So let me know if you think I should do that.
No, you man always want more in the morning. You're high, my good God, and you feel so smooth when you come through. I see.
Doug, you have really outdone yourself. This is a gorgeous piece of furniture. While Doug has built that, I have put away my adorable green bar cart. She does not have a home here, but I'm saving her for my future home or my future children's nursery or something. Could be cute. We are getting hungry, but we're determined to finish this. I'm gonna try to unpack one more bin today. We got a lot done, especially the bathroom and the bedroom, so. Yeah, and then I have to go get my new tires on, my snow tires, so we got kind of a time crunch today. Look at this cute little thing. I'll link it down below. It's from Target. It's got 2 little drawers in it. Dun, 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 dun. Perfect.
There, not too big, small.
I think it's cute. I wish it was a little bit taller, but maybe I'm just used to what was here. Because I wanted to put this on top because I think this kind of goes nicely with the wood. I feel like this will kind of, if we hang it high enough.
Yeah, it looks good that way. That looks
I feel like it looks better.
And when you put things on here, it gives you a little room and it'll make it look a little taller when you put things on there. Are you gonna put things on or you aren't gonna?
Yeah, I am. Okay, I'm loving the finished look. Put a little decorations on here. Filled the drawers with my little notepads. And of course, the pens. This is all the stuff that was in my desk before, so I'm glad that it all has a home now. We're gonna go get food because we're starving. We will see you guys on another day when we're hanging more stuff. But things look semi in control. Like, we cleared some bins. I cleared 6 bins, which is really good, and 2 more boxes. Okay, rug is down. Now we're feeling determined to try spinning chair in the corner here.
It just has a nice green accent.
Oh, I know.
It's a
I
color.
love this chair. Oh, she may. Okay, then should we scoot this down a little or no?
Oh, it is really, God.
Oh!
When it's coming over here, you can look out the window and you can talk to people.
Hello, you guys. Good morning. It's literally 7 a.m. and I'm trying to finish this video editing. I guess my camera died, so I never finished this video, but I want to thank you guys so much for watching this kind of weird moving vlog. I promise the next one is actually better and the play starts coming along. The moving vlogs are almost over and then we can finally catch up on what's happening in my real life, and I feel like I have tons of updates. So give this video a thumbs up if you've been enjoying the videos and want to see some more nursing stuff and what else is going on in my life. I've been coaching a lot. If you don't follow me on Instagram at kiaramadisen, you should. You can see a lot of my life updates there. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is one space that you have on your to-do list to organize in 2023? I'm curious what you guys are working on project-wise. Almost done with my closet. I'm waiting to finish editing these videos and then I can finish like the last of my organizational projects. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you very soon.
I only worry that I'm crazy. 'Cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying.